Today I'm going to show you how to create a smooth 360 degrees car turn in Moho using Smartbone and point animation. First of all, I'm going to start by creating the Smartbone that will control the entire rotation. So go to the bone tool, add new bone and name it Car 360. With this bone selected, open the action window, click new action, and you'll see that it matches the name of the bone. This action will store all the point movement from this 360 turn. With the Smartbone action active, just move your cursor to frame 48. And then we are going to rotate this bone to roughly about 90 degrees. So before animating anything, I need a visual guide. So I'm going to import a reference image of the car. This is going to help to keep proportions correct as you rotate the car. Alright, so now go back to the Smart Action and then go back to frame 48. Now before we move any point, I want to focus only on the main body of the car. So in the layer panel, hide everything except the body layer. This keeps the workspace clean and avoid confusion. Also, we are going to start with the body as this is the foundation of the turn, so we can start here. Okay. Then I'm going to use these magic tools here so that I can move the points around. If you're familiar with the other point animation like Express Animate, then this is going to be easy. You just need to take your time and match the skeleton of the car there. You can see me adjusting the points. Sometimes I'm using the transform points tool. Other times I'm just lasso selecting a group of vertices and nudging them into place. There's nothing complicated happening here. You are not breaking anything because the Smartbone is doing all the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Alright, that part is done. Now I'm going to check the rigging and make sure everything is responding the way it should.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?